What's up, babies? Guess what time it is? It's time for a Shop With Me video. And today we're at one of my favorite places, HomeGoods. So let's go see what they have. Come on. Let's talk about this Barnyard inspired entertainment set. Look how beautiful it is. The color itself can be paired with any other accent colors. It's Barnyard inspired, and look how the doors slide back with ease. The set itself was priced at $3.99, which isn't bad, and it will be a center of attention piece once you walk into the room. Here we have this teak wood coffee table. Love the natural wood color. It is a dark color, beautiful. And this cognac accent genuine leather chair, beautiful. Now here's a piece that caught my eye. It really stood out. It's a planter stand actually, but I think you can use this as a candle stand as well. So if you have a bohemian inspired, the restoration inspired theme can be included with this item. Here I actually put the candles on the stand just to see how it look, and it screams aesthetic. It is beautiful. Here we have a couple of coffee table, end table, bookshelf worthy items that can be used to accentuate the look of your furniture. Now here is a piece that caught my eye. This book screamed Africa. Beautiful artwork, photography, everything. It's by Nick Brandt. I haven't done much research on him, but I'm going to do so. Now this piece definitely screams aesthetic. It can definitely bring a room together if it's traditional, contemporary, bohemian inspired, restoration inspired, whatever you see fit. This would definitely bring a room together. Beautiful. Now I wanted to include a couple of art pieces that I came across that I thought was really nice. This piece was priced at $129.99. It's a fabric material and it's a picture of a leaf. Beautiful. Now this aesthetic artwork was just different, and I thought it was worth showing. Now your girl is a Miami girl, and I just had to include this in the video. Now here we have this angelic entryway piece. It's composed of wood and marble. Next we have these two end tables that I thought were just different. It's gold and black. Now this ravishing piece I thought was just the center of attention in a room. Definitely an entertainment piece. It can be paired in a family room setting or a bedroom setting. Now here we have two end tables that can be used for nightstands or a living room setting. You can also keep the peg legs as a natural wood color, or maybe even change it to a gold or brass. Now this accent chair I thought was beautiful. It is a swivel piece, and it's genuine leather, bringing attention to anyone. And this was priced at, I believe, $279.99. Just adorable. Now, I'm just gonna let you guys enjoy the remainder of this video. You will see mainly pieces that I thought scream aesthetic, and pieces that will definitely bring any room together, whether it's traditional, contemporary, or modern, whatever you choose. Now, don't forget to subscribe to your girl channel. This is Lifestyle by SB, and this is your girl, Shari B. So, please, tell a friend, tell a cousin, tell an aunt, tell an uncle, brother, sister. Bring them all to my channel and become a part of the family. Make sure you turn on your notification bells so you can tune in to when I post the video. Videos will be posted every Thursday and Sunday. So enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Bye.